Powdery mildew doesn't destroy plants slowly. It explodes, coats leaves, shuts down photosynthesis and drains plant energy almost overnight. What's worse is that most solutions either burn leaves, stop working after a few sprays, or return stronger than before. Then I used a fix that sounded ridiculous at first. No chemicals, no harsh fungicides, just a simple powdery mildew treatment that flips the environment against the fungus itself. Within days, the white coating stopped spreading, new growth emerged clean, and the disease didn't come back. This is not a gimmick. It's biology doing the work for you. Powdery mildew is not caused by dirty plants or bad gardening habits. It's a surface fungus that thrives in still air, moderate humidity, and stressed plants. Unlike many fungi, it does not need wet leaves to survive. It feeds on plant cells directly and spreads through microscopic spores that travel easily through the garden. Spraying random remedies fails because most gardeners attack the fungus without changing the conditions that allow it to live. The fix is milk. Not skim milk, not flavoured milk, not plant-based milk. Plain cow's milk diluted with water. This method sounds too simple until you understand why it works. Milk contains proteins and natural enzymes that react with sunlight. When sprayed onto leaves, these compounds create an environment that damages fungal cell walls while leaving plant tissue unharmed. At the same time, milk encourages beneficial microbes that compete with powdery mildew on the leaf surface. This is not suffocation. This is biological disruption. Use 1 part milk to 9 parts water. For a standard garden sprayer, mix 100 milliliters of milk with 900 milliliters of water to make 1 liter of spray. For larger batches, mix 1 cup of milk with 9 cups of water. So, you want to make sure you use fresh milk. Do not use spoiled milk, all right? When applying, spray both the top and underside of affected leaves until they're evenly coated, but not dripping. It's best to apply early in the morning so sunlight activates the reaction, but, without causing any leaf stress. For severe infections, you'll want to apply every 3 days for the first week. Within 48 hours, the powdery coating stops expanding. Existing mildew dries and fades rather than spreading to new growth. New leaves will emerge clean. The fungus, it loses its grip because the leaf surface is no longer a friendly environment. This is how you know it's working. Chemical sprays, they kill on contact but leave behind sterile leaf surfaces. That, unfortunately, allows mildew spores to recolonize quite easily. Milk treatments, on the other hand, leave behind beneficial microbial life that occupies the space the fungus would otherwise claim. You are not just killing mildew, you are preventing its return. Baking soda changes surface pH, which can, slow mildew temporarily. However, it does not build microbial competition. Overuse can burn leaves and disrupt plant metabolism. Milk works because it supports life, rather than sterilizing it. The best time to spray is at the first sign of white patches. Early intervention stops spore buildup and protects new growth. However, even advanced infections respond when applied consistently. Milk spray works best when combined with better airflow. Space plants properly. Prune overcrowded growth. Powdery mildew thrives in stagnant air. Moving air weakens it. Plants under stress produce weaker leaf defences. Inconsistent watering, poor soil nutrition and low light make plants vulnerable. Strengthening plant health makes mildew less aggressive. Healthy soil supports stronger leaves. Compost-rich soil provides steady nutrients and microbial balance. Plants grown in living soil resist disease better than those grown in depleted media. Once mildew is controlled, spray once every 2 weeks during high-risk periods. This keeps leaf surfaces hostile to spores and maintains microbial balance. Do not spray during intense midday heat. Do not over-apply. Do not mix milk with chemical fungicides. Do not expect instant disappearance. Fungal death is gradual. Multiple agricultural studies have shown milk sprays reduce powdery mildew severity by more than 50% when applied correctly. The effect increases under sunlight, making it ideal for outdoor gardens. It sounds too simple. It's not sold in bottles. It doesn't promise instant results. But nature favours balance over brute force. Once mildew is under control, plants rebound quickly. Leaf colour improves, growth accelerates, flowering resumes, yield stabilises. Most importantly, the fungus does not dominate again. If this saved your plants or changed how you fight disease, subscribe to Nature's Blueprint and share this with a gardener who's still spraying in frustration. Nature already knows how to solve this.